Across our planet, in the dense, humid embrace of tropical forests, within the meandering courses of great rivers and the stillness of lakes, and even across the sun-scorched earth of arid lands, there exists a group of animals that commands both fear and fascination. They are the snakes. Lacking the claws of a tiger, the wings of an eagle, or the powerful legs of a rhino, they have nonetheless earned a formidable reputation. Many are perceived as dangerous, their silence often broken by a sudden, venomous strike, a testament to their unique and highly effective evolutionary path. Their presence is often an imposing one. A sudden rustle in the undergrowth, a fleeting shape beneath the water's surface, a silent hunter in the dark. They move with a fluid grace that can seem almost reckless, their bodies a marvel of muscular engineering. There is a profound mystery that surrounds them, creatures that have slithered through millennia, adapting and thriving in a world that often misunderstands them. They are survivors, predators, and in some cases, titans of their domain, reaching sizes that defy belief and challenge our sense of scale. Today, we journey into their world, a world of immense power and surprising beauty. We will explore the lives of the true giants, the colossal serpents that rule their ecosystems through sheer size and strength. From the murky waters of the Amazon to the dense jungles of Asia and the vast savannas of Africa, we will uncover the secrets of these magnificent reptiles, learning about their habits, their power, and their place in the natural world. Get ready to meet the 10 biggest snakes in the world. Deep within the labyrinthine waterways of the Amazon basin lives a true leviathan. The green anaconda is a creature of immense bulk and power, a heavyweight champion among snakes. Its olive green skin, patterned with large dark circular blotches, provides the perfect camouflage amidst the dappled light and decaying vegetation of its aquatic home. This is not a snake of delicate proportions. It is a creature built of pure muscle, a true constrictor of epic scale. Females of the species far outgrow the males, achieving truly staggering dimensions. While lengths of over 20 feet have been recorded, it is their sheer mass that is most astonishing, with some individuals tipping the scales at over 70 pounds, and perhaps even more. They are supremely adapted to a life in the water, their eyes and nostrils positioned on the top of their heads, allowing them to lie in wait, almost completely submerged, patiently observing the riverbank for an unsuspecting victim. Their hunting technique is a study in brute force. An unsuspecting capybara, a wading deer, or even a formidable caiman that ventures too close to the water's edge may find itself seized by the anaconda's powerful jaws. The snake then employs its most formidable weapon, constriction. Coiling its muscular body around its prey, it squeezes with relentless pressure, not crushing bones, but preventing the animal from breathing, leading to a slow and certain demise before the colossal meal is swallowed whole. Life for the anaconda is not without its own perils and strange customs. The breeding season can be a dramatic affair, with multiple smaller males forming a breeding ball around a single, much larger female, all vying for the chance to mate. The females are viviparous, giving birth to live young, sometimes dozens at a time, who must fend for themselves from the moment they are born in the perilous waters. Perhaps most astonishingly, the female anaconda is known to exhibit cannibalistic tendencies. During the long gestation period, a time of great vulnerability and energy expenditure, she may consume one of her smaller male suitors. This act, while seemingly gruesome, provides a vital, high-energy meal, ensuring she has the strength to carry her young to term. It is a stark reminder of the unforgiving, yet fascinating realities of survival in the Amazon. On the continent of Australia, a land renowned for its unique and often dangerous wildlife, resides its largest native snake, the amethyst python. This is a serpent of remarkable length, with reliable reports suggesting it can reach up to 27 feet, making it one of the longest snakes in the world. It is a creature of two worlds, equally at home in the humid, tangled jungles of the north as it is in the drier, more open forests and scrublands. Despite its incredible length, it can be a surprisingly slender snake in its youth, but as it matures, It develops a considerable girth, with large specimens weighing close to 200 pounds. The amethyst python is both arboreal and semi-aquatic. Its powerful body, allowing it to climb high into the forest canopy in search of birds and possums, or to lie in wait near waterholes for thirsty wallabies. It is an adaptable and versatile predator, a master of its varied environments. The common name, amethyst python, hints at the snake's subtle and breathtaking beauty. Its skin is a complex marbled or reticulated pattern of browns, olives, and yellows, which provides excellent camouflage. But when the sunlight catches its scales at just the right angle, they shimmer with an iridescent purplish sheen, like the precious gem for which it is named. This optical effect is not due to pigment, but to the microscopic structure of the scales themselves, which refract light in a dazzling display. As a non-venomous constrictor, it relies on ambush and immense strength to secure its meals. It will often hang from a branch, its head dangling down, waiting for an unsuspecting animal to pass below. The strike is lightning fast, followed by the inevitable coiling and squeezing that suffocates the prey. Its diet is varied, including everything from fruit bats and birds to larger mammals, a testament to its power and opportunistic nature. The sheer beauty of the amethyst python, combined with its impressive size, makes it a truly iconic species of the Australian wilderness. Observing one in its natural habitat, whether coiled in the branches of a rainforest tree or gliding silently through the undergrowth, is to witness a perfect blend of power, grace, and natural artistry. It is a living jewel, a long and shimmering testament to the evolutionary wonders of the land down under. Across the vast tropical savannas and rocky outcrops of sub-Saharan Africa, there is a snake that commands respect and caution. The African rock python is the continent's largest snake, a formidable predator known for its large size and notably aggressive temperament. Growing to lengths of up to 22 feet, it is a powerfully built constrictor, perfectly adapted to a life of ambush and predation in one of the world's most challenging landscapes. Its coloration is designed for concealment. The body is typically a shade of gray-green or brown-gray, overlaid with irregular blotchy markings of a lighter brown edged in black. This pattern allows it to blend seamlessly into the dry grasses, shadowed rocks, and riverine vegetation of its habitat. When coiled and motionless, it can be remarkably difficult to spot, a deadly advantage for a hunter that relies on surprise to capture its quarry. The African rock python is a carnivore with a formidable appetite. Its diet consists of a wide range of animals, from large rodents and monkeys to creatures as large as antelopes and even crocodiles. It is an opportunistic hunter, often found near water sources, where it will lie in wait for animals to come and drink. The attack is explosive and powerful, with the snake seizing its prey and immediately wrapping it in its inescapable coils. Reproduction for this species is a significant event. After mating, the female will lay a very large clutch of eggs, sometimes as many as 100. In a remarkable display of maternal care, unusual for most snakes, she will coil her body around the eggs. By rhythmically twitching her muscles, she can generate a small amount of heat, helping to incubate the clutch and protect it from predators until the young hatch, emerging as miniature 2-foot-long replicas of their parents. Unfortunately, the very skin that provides this magnificent creature with its camouflage has also made it a target. The beautiful, intricate pattern is highly valued on the black market for the creation of leather goods. This, combined with habitat loss and persecution due to its reputation, places pressure on its populations. The African rock python remains a powerful and vital apex predator, a symbol of the wild, untamed spirit of the African continent. Originally native to the jungles and marshes of Southeast Asia, the Burmese python is a true giant, renowned for its immense power and muscular build. In its natural habitat, it is a magnificent predator, capable of reaching lengths of up to 20 feet and weighing as much as 180 pounds. Its body is a testament to strength, a thick, heavy coil of muscle capable of overpowering substantial prey with relentless constriction. The beauty of this snake is undeniable. Its skin displays a stunning pattern of dark, irregular blotches set against a lighter background of tan or cream. This pattern, while beautiful, provides excellent camouflage in the dappled light of its native jungle floor. Its head is equipped with rows of incredibly sharp, backward-curving teeth, not for chewing, but for gripping hold of prey with an unbreakable purchase, allowing it to begin the process of constriction. While it is a keystone species in Asia, the Burmese python has gained a different kind of notoriety far from home. In the state of Florida in the United States, escaped or intentionally released pets have established a large and thriving invasive population in the Everglades National Park. The subtropical climate and vast, inaccessible wetlands have proven to be a perfect new home for this adaptable giant, with devastating consequences. Here, in this new world, the python has become an apex predator with no natural enemies. Its voracious appetite has had a catastrophic impact on native fauna. Populations of raccoons, opossums, bobcats, and even the iconic Florida panther have plummeted in areas where the pythons are abundant. They are even capable of preying on alligators, leading to epic battles between these two top predators. The presence of this snake has fundamentally altered the delicate balance of the Everglades ecosystem. Beyond its ecological impact, the Burmese python has a long history with humans. In its native lands, it is sometimes hunted for its skin and for parts used in traditional medicine. As an invasive species in Florida, it is the subject of intense eradication efforts. This powerful and muscular giant serves as a potent, living example of the dangers of introducing non-native species into fragile environments. The Indian python is a large and heavy-bodied snake native to the forests and grasslands of the Indian subcontinent, including India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. While not as long as some of its relatives, it is a truly massive serpent, often reaching lengths of up to 19 feet and possessing considerable girth. Its sheer weight and bulk make it one of the most imposing snakes in its range, a slow-moving but powerful presence in the landscape. Its coloration is typically a shade of greenish tan or yellow, marked with a distinctive pattern of large, irregular rectangular spots of a darker brown or olive. This pattern breaks up the snake's outline, providing effective camouflage amongst the leaf litter and undergrowth of the forest floor. Like all pythons, it is a non-venomous constrictor, relying on its immense muscular strength to hunt and subdue its prey. The diet of the Indian python is varied, consisting mainly of mammals and birds. It is a patient ambush predator, often lying motionless for hours or even days, waiting for an unsuspecting deer, wild boar, or large bird to wander within striking range. Once the prey is secured, the process of constriction begins, followed by the slow and deliberate act of swallowing the meal whole, a process that can take a considerable amount of time for larger prey items. Reproduction involves the female laying a clutch of up to 100 eggs in a safe, sheltered location. She then exhibits a form of maternal care, coiling around her eggs to protect them from predators. Much like the African rock python, she can shiver or twitch her muscles to generate a small amount of heat, raising the temperature of the clutch by several degrees, a crucial advantage for the developing embryos inside. In the northern parts of its range, where temperatures can drop significantly during the winter, the Indian python has adapted to hibernate. It will seek out shelter in hollow trees, rocky crevices, or burrows to wait out the cold months in a state of torpor. This snake is a protected species in India, a creature revered in local culture and folklore, yet threatened by habitat loss and the illegal skin trade, a silent giant that holds a vital place in the ecology of southern Asia. In the dense jungles of Asia, there lives a snake that is not only a giant, but also a king. The king cobra holds the title of the world's largest venomous snake. Reaching a formidable length of up to 18 feet, it is a creature of surprising elegance and lethal power. Despite its size, it is relatively slender compared to the massive pythons, weighing between 13 and 26 pounds, a build designed for agility and speed. Its coloration can be highly variable, ranging from olive green and tan to black, often with faint, pale crossbands down the length of its body. but its most iconic feature is its hood. When threatened or provoked, the king cobra can extend the ribs in its neck, flaring out a narrow but intimidating hood, often raising the front third of its body straight off the ground. This upright, defensive posture is a terrifying and unforgettable sight, a clear warning of its capabilities. The king cobra's scientific name literally means snake eater, and this is its primary diet. It is a specialist predator that preys almost exclusively on other snakes, including venomous ones like kraits and other cobras, as well as non-venomous species like pythons. Cannibalism is also known to occur, with larger individuals preying on smaller ones. It is a king that devours its own kind to survive. Its venom is its most famous attribute. A single bite can deliver a massive quantity of potent neurotoxin, enough to kill an adult elephant or 20 humans. The venom attacks the central nervous system, leading to paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. It is a swift and efficient killer. Its long, forked tongue constantly tastes the air, gathering chemical information to track down its serpentine prey with unerring accuracy. Even the mating behavior of the king cobra is unique. The male and female may remain entwined for hours, a graceful and dangerous dance. Unusually for snakes, the female builds a nest of leaves and vegetation, a two-tiered structure where she lays her eggs in the bottom chamber and stands guard in the top. It is a rare display of parental care in the reptilian world, befitting the regal and complex nature of this magnificent and deadly jungle monarch. Feared throughout its range in eastern and southern Africa, the black mamba, Dendroa spes polylepis, has a reputation that, well, really precedes it. It is the continent's largest venomous snake, capable of reaching lengths of up to 16 feet, and, arguably, its most dangerous. Despite its bulk, it's a snake built for speed rather than constriction, possessing a slender but incredibly strong and agile body, making it the fastest land snake in the world, capable of moving at over 12 miles per hour in short bursts. Its name is famously misleading. The black mamba is not black. Its skin color is typically a shade of olive, brownish, or gunmetal gray. The black in its name actually refers to the inky black coloration on the inside of its mouth, which it displays prominently when threatened. This gaping dark maw, contrasted with its pale skin, serves as a startling and fearsome warning to any potential aggressor to, back away immediately. The mamba's primary weapon is its venom, a complex and fast-acting cocktail of potent neurotoxins and cardiotoxins. A bite from a black mamba is considered a medical emergency of the highest order. Without rapid administration of antivenom, the mortality rate is nearly 100%. The venom swiftly attacks the nervous system, causing rapid onset of paralysis, including the muscles responsible for breathing, leading to suffocation. It is a diurnal hunter, actively seeking out its prey, which consists mainly of small mammals and birds. It will deliver a rapid series of bites, injecting its venom, and then retreat, waiting for the toxin to do its work before returning to consume its incapacitated meal. This strategy minimizes the risk of injury to the snake from struggling prey. It is both an arboreal and terrestrial hunter, equally at home in the trees as it is on the ground. The combination of its speed, unpredictable aggression when cornered, and the extreme lethality of its venom has cemented the black mamba's place in folklore as a symbol of death. Yet, it is a shy creature that will almost always seek to escape rather than confront. It is a highly evolved and successful predator, a gray ghost that glides through the African bush, a beautiful, efficient, and profoundly respected master of its domain. In the remote, humid forests of Central and South America, there exists a viper of formidable size and unusual appearance. This is the Lachesis muta, often known by names such as the Bushmaster. It is a terrestrial and primarily nocturnal hunter, a silent predator of the forest floor. Reaching lengths of up to 13 feet, it holds the title of the largest viper in the Americas, and indeed, the longest venomous snake in the Western Hemisphere. The most striking characteristic of this snake is the texture of its skin. Its scales are heavily keeled, or ridged and raised, giving its body a rough, tuberculate appearance, reminiscent of a toad's warty skin. This unique feature gives it a primeval look, a creature perfectly suited to a life hidden amongst the damp leaf litter and decaying logs of its rainforest home. Its coloration, a pattern of dark, diamond-shaped blotches on a lighter background, provides superb camouflage. As a large and corpulent snake, the bushmaster is almost exclusively terrestrial. It is too heavy to be an adept climber. It often spends its days coiled and hidden, occupying burrows made by other animals such as armadillos, or concealing itself within the buttress roots of giant rainforest trees. Under the cover of darkness, it emerges to hunt, using its heat-sensing pits located between the nostril and the eye to detect the warmth of its mammalian prey. This is one of the most venomous species in the region. Its fangs are long, and it can inject a large quantity of potent venom that causes massive tissue damage, bleeding, and shock. The venom is hemotoxic, breaking down blood cells and tissues, leading to severe pain and swelling. It is a formidable defense and a highly effective tool for subduing the small mammals that make up the bulk of its diet. Despite its fearsome capabilities, encounters with humans are relatively rare due to its nocturnal habits and remote habitat. However, in regions like Costa Rica and Panama, bites from this species, though infrequent, have historically been associated with a high mortality rate, especially in areas far from medical facilities. The bushmaster is a true giant of the viper world, a secretive and powerful predator that embodies the wild, untamed spirit of the neotropical rainforests. Commonly known as the verrucous snake, Lachesis stenophris is a close relative of the bushmaster and another giant among the vipers of the New World. It is a creature of the night, a terrestrial hunter that prowls the humid tropical forests of Central America. The defining characteristic of the Lachesis genus is plain to see on this species. Its scales are pronounced and raised, giving it the appearance of being covered in small warts, a texture that feels rough and ancient to the touch. This remarkable snake is found in both the mountainous regions and the lowlands of countries like Costa Rica and Panama. It is one of the largest vipers in all of Latin America, a truly impressive serpent that can reach a length of up to 13 feet. Its size and significant body weight dictate its lifestyle. It is a ground dweller, powerful but not built for climbing through the canopy like some of its more slender relatives. During the daylight hours, the verrucous snake remains hidden from the world. It seeks refuge in the abandoned burrows of medium-sized mammals, such as armadillos, or coils itself invisibly at the base of large trees, tucked between the sprawling roots, or nestled in natural depressions in the forest floor. Here it can rest, digest, and wait for the safety of darkness to resume its hunt for the warm-blooded creatures it preys upon. It is an incredibly venomous species, possessing long fangs and the ability to deliver a large, life-threatening dose of toxins. The venom is complex, causing severe pain, swelling, and necrosis, as well as disrupting the blood's ability to clot. It is a highly efficient method for quickly subduing the rodents and other small mammals that constitute its diet, minimizing the struggle and risk of injury to the snake. While cases of bites from this specific species are not common across its entire range, this is not the case in certain regions. In both Costa Rica and Panama, the verrucous snake has been a significant cause for concern. Historically, bites from this reclusive giant have been associated with a high rate of mortality, particularly in rural areas where immediate access to specialized medical care and anti-venom is a challenge. It is a silent titan of the undergrowth, demanding respect and caution. The boa constrictor is a large, heavy-bodied species belonging to the Boidae family, a name synonymous with the very act of constriction. This powerful serpent can reach impressive sizes, with a long, muscular body growing up to 13 feet and weighing in at over 99 pounds. It is a snake of substantial girth and undeniable strength, one of the most famous and widely recognized of all the world's large snakes. Its skin is a masterpiece of adaptation, possessing a remarkable ability to change its patterns and coloration to camouflage itself within its specific habitat. However, a common distinguishing feature is the series of dark, saddle-like markings along its back. Its head is also distinctive, often described as arrow-shaped, setting it apart from other boas. This is a snake that has successfully colonized a vast range of environments. You can find the boa constrictor from the northern reaches of Mexico all the way down into South America. It is incredibly adaptable, thriving in lush tropical rainforests, open meadows, thorny scrublands, and even semi-desert regions. This versatility has been a key to its success as a species. Venom is not part of its arsenal. Its method of hunting and defense is pure, suffocating power. When it strikes, it seizes its prey with its teeth and immediately begins to coil its powerful body around the victim. The popular myth is that it crushes its prey, but the reality is more subtle and just as deadly. With each exhalation of the trapped animal, the boa tightens its grip, preventing the lungs from refilling. The cause of death is circulatory arrest, a swift and incredibly effective technique in its natural environment. This iconic animal is now threatened. Its populations have been reduced over time due to hunting for its meat and primarily for its beautifully patterned skin, which is highly sought after for manufacturing products like shoes and wallets. They are also captured for the pet trade. For those fearless enough to seek an eccentric companion, these non-venomous snakes can live for 20 years, with some specimens even reaching 40, a long-term commitment for a truly magnificent creature. We have journeyed across continents, from the murky depths of the Amazon to the sun-baked plains of Africa and into the deepest, most remote jungles of Asia. We have come face to face with the planet's serpentine giants. In their immense size, we see a reflection of the richness of their habitats. A snake can only grow to such a scale in an ecosystem that is healthy enough to support it. A world teeming with life and with prey. These colossal reptiles are not monsters, but barometers of the health of our wildest places. Their methods may seem brutal. The relentless squeeze of the constrictor, the lightning strike of the venomous fang. But this is the raw, unfiltered language of survival. It is a drama that has played out for millions of years, long before our own arrival. In their silent, watchful eyes, we can see a deep, ancient wisdom. They are a reminder that power in the natural world comes in many forms, and that even without limbs, a creature can become a king, an empress, a titan. As we encroach ever further into their world, their future becomes intertwined with our own. Their survival depends on our willingness to understand and to conserve the wild spaces they and we depend upon. For these magnificent giants are not merely creatures of myth and nightmare. They are a vital, awe-inspiring part of the rich and complex tapestry of life on Earth. And their world is one that is certainly worth protecting.